Hello and welcome to CAD for Horticulture. Today we're going to work on drawing some of our first lines here. So let's start with the line command. The line command can be found up here as an icon. That's on the Draw Home tab, Draw panel, and there's an icon for line. There's also polyline arcs, circles. I like to use the keyboard command, so I'm going to enter L into the keyboard. And remember, you do not need to move your mouse down into the command line. You can just start typing. And now it's asked me to specify the first point of the line. And remember, this is the real key thing, is to look at the command line as you're getting used to some of these programs. They're going to walk you through everything you need to know. So I'm going to click down here and then up here. And if you notice, it'll let me keep going, but I'm going to hit the escape key. So we have our first line. Some of the things we might want to do now would be to zoom in. You can zoom using the mouse scrolly button, or you can right click and you get this menu with a bunch of different options. One of them is to zoom. Well, if you click straight on that, you get what's called the real-time zoom, which is this magnifying glass with a plus and minus sign. This works on the diagonal from the upper right-hand corner to the lower left, and also from the opposite corners. But it doesn't work quite as well if you're moving horizontally across the screen. So a lot of people get tripped up on that when they're first learning. To get out of any command in AutoCAD, we're going to hit the escape button. Now let's try drawing another line. So we'll go back up, and this time I'll actually click on the icon. And I'll draw a line that makes kind of an X across the screen. Then I'm going to hit the escape button. So here we're going to work on some zooming and panning to make sure that when you draw things, you know where things are going. To pan, we're going to right click, and there's an option for pan so that we can move around the screen. Then again, to get out of the command, we're going to hit escape. If I wanted this X to fill up the whole screen, there's my favorite command of all times. I'll be saying this over and over again. You just type Z into the keyboard, enter, E, enter. That is zoom extents. What that will do will take all the lines that you have in the drawing space and they will fill up the screen. Sometimes you can get lost in AutoCAD. Things get thrown around the screen unexpectedly. If you hit Z, enter, E, enter, hopefully that you can find your way back. So that's where I'm going to leave it for right now, and we'll pick up on the next lesson. Thank you very much.